Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just cut out another round one here for our other one. But this time we're not going to create another circle. We're actually going to create almost like an oval. And I'll show you. Let's just say we go like that. What I want you to think about here is, what do you think is going to happen now with this, being that it's not a circle? Okay, so just another way to do some cardboard automata in terms of up and down is, if you don't want to do a circle, you can start to mess around with different kind of shapes and sizes and ridges. They all do different things. So in this case, I kind of made an oval, kind of an oblong, kind of like a skinny egg. And I'm going to put that right in the middle down here. And it's going to kind of operate like our Darwin one from the previous video. And what we're going to do is put another skewer here. And we're going to trim this straw down a little bit because it's pretty long. There we go. I'll drop this guy down here. And kind of like the last one, you're going to see that it makes it go up and down. Just, we're not using a circle. So now we can start to experiment and be thinking about different shapes and what would different shapes do. How can I create things that are up and then smooth and maybe divot, things of that nature. So if we have something like this, then we can go ahead and add a person or whatever your design is. I just made this quick little dude right here. So I just stick him on here real quick. And let him dry here for a minute. We can now got him jumping up and down. Yippee, 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 skippy. And he's happy. So much like the other one, just using a different shape for the cardboard automata. So let's think about other shapes, and let's start to think about more than one piece on our main base.